just go to your start and click idle. Okay, this is going to open up only when you install your Python software. Okay, so once you install it, go to your start, click on idle. A screen is gonna open up on your system. Give me a moment. Yeah, so once this Python 3.8.2 shell is open, just go to your file, click on file, and if you have codes already available in your system, just go to open, click on open, and whichever folder you have stored your files in, just go to that and click on wherever you have that code available. Okay, so have a look, guys. This is the code that we have. Okay, so once I run this, let me just run this program. Have a look. So there is a blue circle with pink filled color. Okay, so this is the output of my program. Now let us understand how this output has come up. Okay, so what did we do here? So we are working on turtle module, right? In Python software, if you want to work on any library or module of your Python software, always remember to import it. So import the module first. So importing the module is going to bring all the functions from the libraries available. So there are tons and tons of libraries is what I told you. So when you have so many libraries, you can't invoke all of them. Only one particular module is enough for you to work on. Why do you need all of those tons and tons of libraries? Just import turtle. Okay. Once you import turtle, what you have to be doing is make your turtle ready. How are you going to make the turtle ready? See here, what did I say? T is a variable. I told you what is a variable. Okay. So what am I doing here? I am taking a variable T. In that, I am equating it using the assignment operator equals. I am saying turtle dot turtle, open and close brackets. So what does this mean? So this means that your turtle is asking for all of the functionalities from the Python, and you're making the turtle ready with the name T. Now you have a turtle which is of name T. Computer remembers T as your turtle. Okay, now your turtle is ready. So before drawing your circle, what you should be doing is you have to say T dot pen color. You can just draw a circle, that will also make sense. But if you want to make it colorful, you have to do some kind of extra things. What am I going to do here? I am saying use the pen color blue. See, what is your output here, guys? It is a blue circle, right? Okay. Now, and the outline of the circle would be blue, and I want to fill the circle with pink color. Okay, which means outer circle would be blue color and the inner filling part would be of pink. Now, so to start filling any kind of closed structure, you have to first begin fill. Okay, so everything is taken with T dot, guys. You must have observed this. So T dot is mandatory because using this turtle name only, you have to call all of the methods from your turtle module. Okay, so T dot begin underscore fill, which means you can begin your fill is what filling of color is what turtle means. Okay, now you have made made everything clear that the outer line of the circle is going to be of blue, the filling color would be of pink. You have even said begin the fill, but you should give the main instruction, which is draw a circle. So how are you going to draw a circle? So this piece of thing is going to draw my circle. I'm saying t dot circle of 50, which means from the turtle module, ring the circle function or method and draw a circle of 50 radius. So what are the properties of a circle? A circle is going to have a radius. So based on that radius only a circle is drawn. So in the same way, Python also understands that the number within this circle method is the radius of the circle. So once you give that, beginning the fill will end with a end fill. So that is what I did at the last, end underscore fill. So this is going to first draw my circle and then fill it. So I'm going to run it again. So to run this program, just go to your run, click on run module and have a look. Blue circle filled with pink color. This is how we are going to make the Python for Kids classes interesting for you. So we can draw many more things using this turtle package. So I hope you liked it.